Measures are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. This is Galileo Galilei, a peep into past. Today I'll be telling you all you need to know about a certain someone. He is an Italian astronomer, known for his important inventions and his intelligence. And no, his name is not,
Sono Vincenzo Rocara Squargialupi Brancaleoni.
nor is it,
Vincenzo Don Corleone.
it is Galileo di Vincenzo Bonaiuti de Galilei. Let's just call him Galileo. So, Galileo was born on 15th February 1564 in Pisa, Italy. But in the early 1570s, his family moved to Florence, where Galileo began his formal education in a school in a nearby monastery. In 1581, Galileo's father sent him to the University of Pisa, where he studied medicine and the philosophy of Aristotle. Never interested in medicine, he found out that he had a liking for mathematics. So he somehow persuaded his father to get him out of the university. So now he was back in Florence, where he spent the next 4 years as a math tutor. He also became kinda famous because of his new invention called the hydrostatic balance. This thing was used to measure the exact gravity of an object by putting it in water or something like that. In 1589, Galileo was appointed as a professor of mathematics in the University of Pisa. This position required him to teach astronomy according to Ptolemy's theory. This theory states that the Sun and other planets revolve around the Earth, which Galileo knew was wrong. He believed in the Copernicus theory, in which the planets revolve around the Sun. This is the same theory we use today. In 1592, Galileo became a professor at the University of Padua, where he spent the next 18 years. In 1602, he invented the first telescope. We know this telescope as the Galileo's telescope. Using his invention, he saw 4 moons circling Jupiter. Fun fact, he named these moons the Medicean planets, in order to get favor from the Medicis, the ruling family of Florence. Unlucky for him, Cosimo de' Medici, the Grand Duke of Tuscany, said this: "Hey Galileo, would you please be a kind man and be my personal mathematician?" And then Galileo's like, "Oh yes sir, of course, I won't mind." All of this happened in Italian. Anyways, this brought Galileo back to Florence, where he continued his studies of the heavens. He also opposed Ptolemy's theory. Some of his enemies sent a letter about this to the inquisitors in Rome. Therefore, in 1616, Galileo was summoned to Rome for an official determination about the orthodoxy of his views. And in 1633, Galileo was proven guilty and was sentenced to life imprisonment. He was under house arrest in a villa outside Florence. Unfortunately, in 1642, Galileo passed away due to an illness. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing content like this.